Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is me Zishan aka Photography, back with another video, and here we are at the part 2 of the Yana vlog. Well, the last video you guys have showed enough love, and thank you so much for that. We have around 560 views, not K, 560 views. That was not necessary. Well, we have got 1300 subscribers right now, and thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel, and very happy and grateful for that. Well, the last video we stopped at where Arjun was doing his interview with me. So let's continue to that part and hope this one's a little more interesting than the last one, because here I have put a little more effort than the last editing part. Let's see how it goes. Well, that's it. Let's go to the video. You are supposed to go to the other side, man.
He doesn't care because he's filthy rich nowadays. True. So yeah, let us pray so that he'll get his noise earphones. Okay, let us see him searching. One like is equal to one pray.
Yeah, I'm getting vibes. I can find it now.
Okay, he's getting vibes. Come on, Z. We are here cheering up.
Zishan.
Excuse me, Zitography.
Zishan.
Would you mind explaining
Zishan.
how you lost this?
I was putting one scarf on my head.
Sir, camera illide, sir.
And that potting young.
Hey, camera ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Potting MB called us for a photo shoot. That was a scam.
See, this is MB, the Patinga MB he was talking about. Apparently the stunts are all going wrong. Okay. This is the main reason he's not able to find his noise here.
Vlog ನನ್ನ dislike ಇಲ್ಲ ರಾಶಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
Okay, we'll have to stop this vlog because he's scared of getting dislikes. Please, one like is equal to one pray. Let's all pray for his noise earphone. Thank you. 4 minutes we are searching. He's getting vibes, it seems.
And is on to
Zitography. Did you find your noise earbuds?
please camera. I can't take this.
No, sir.
No sir, we are media, you can't say that.
Media.
Okay, now he's about to jump the railings,
Okay, stunt by Zitography.
and there's pan all over the leaves there.
Come on, Zitography. You can do it.
Zishan,
The pan that's been spitted by the
he loves spawns.
ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ.
Come on guys.
has spat
Okay.
every
Oh, apparently
single
yes.
shit
Man
from
versus wild. It looks like he's finding something.
Found something.
He found something.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ KG ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Now he's
Okay.
gonna do some sanitization.
That was him.
ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
Sanitization.
Okay.
MB Creations ಅದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
Oh, found it.
ನಾಟಕ
Beep.
ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ನಾಟಕ
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲು
ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ
Getting into wild.
Zishan ಕಿವಿಯ noisy. Oh, finally.
and
Oh, it directly fits in his ear.
all those
that is
pans,
noise for you.
all those pans.
The pan flavored noise earphones. Okay. Actually, Zishan had lost his earbuds. He's still having some cheer on his face. And look at this. Look at this guy. Anil, how is life? Why are you so sad?
Why are you crying, baby?
क्या हुआ?
Looking at the water.
Looking at the waterfalls. Anil feels thirsty. Okay, Zishan. So, how do you explain your adventure? Wait.
Zoom.
Okay. Finally found. Thanks for your likes, guys. Okay. Zitography.
Please do like. ನನ್ನ ಮುಸುಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವುದು.
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಸುಂಡಲ್ಲ. Okay.
So it was very good finding my noise earphones.
How did you lose it in the first place?
ಅದಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮಾರ್ರೆ.
Shameless.
ಹೇಳು ಮಾರೆ. ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು
Now it's relieved. It jumps out of here in the middle of nowhere.
he's just happy guys. Okay, bye bye.
So this was actually the last stop of our destination. Then while traveling towards our place, we saw this very beautiful bridge to the right side of our place, and that was the bridge which takes us to the Joke Falls, and the front version. Like we were already there, the thing happened, the noise where I lost the noise thing happened. That was on the right side of the Joke Falls. So there is a place which takes you to the in front of the Joke Falls. So we were not interested to go to Joke Falls, but the bridge was really good, sunset was good, like really amazing. So we thought we'll have a break there, and that break went on for like 3 hours.
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದಾದ ಕಾಟನ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಶ್ರೀಶಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಶ್ರೀಶಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಊಬ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊ.
Since we had spent like 3 hours in the bridge, so we thought we better leave, and we were sure that we are not going to reach home today by at any time, and we'll be tired in between. So we had this plan where Sham thought of, let us spend our time a little more in a place called as I swear to God, I don't remember the place. Yeah, this is the place.
I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are
पहली बार वो कह रहे हैं कि भाई मजा आया.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡ ಏತರ್ಷ ಅಂಡಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟದು ಏತರ್ಷ ಅಂಡಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡ ಪುಟ್ಟದು ಕೇನ್ ಅಮ್ಮೆರಡಕೇನು
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂಡು
ಮುಪ್ಪ ಮಾರಯ
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ
ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ
ಬುಗ ವಿಶೇಷ
ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ನೀನ್ ಅರ್ಧ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಬಿನ ಖಾಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಯಾ
ಈಗ ನೋಡ ನನಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ bye bye. ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬರ್ತದಾ? So the 2-day ride has been extended to the 3rd day since it was late night, and we didn't prefer to ride in the night. So we came back, so Sham arranged a stay in his grandmother's place. Excellent hospitality, stomach is full. So we're about to leave from here. So there is a temple nearby, so we just visited the place, and they've already been there.
Have you ever met someone you could not get my doubt? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete.
So here we are at Devaramani place. It's a kind of hilly region. You can see it around. It's very nice. Silent, peace and calm as usual how nature is. Okay, this place is located around 20 kilometers from the place called Kuve. We stayed in Kuve, as I told you earlier. I stayed in Kuve, and after that we came all the way from that place to Kottigere, and from Kottigere it was again 15 kilometers. So there's nothing much of a trek here. Vehicles come almost till the location. All you have to do is a little of, obviously when you come to here, obviously you can't get all your vehicles here. There might be a place, but I don't think we got a place to come up till here. As I could see, you can see our vehicles are parked down there, and this is all we had to come up, that's all. So nothing much of a trek. It was good. It's always good to be on places like these.
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the
ಗಡ್ಡ ಉಂಟಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾ ಗಡ್ಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಅದು ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗ್ದೆ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚೂರು.
ಓ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
This is my word.
ಇವತ್ತು ಗೊರಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತೀಯಾ? ನಾನು ನಿಂಗೆ ಓದಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ನಾ ಗೊರಕೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ. ನಾ ಅರ್ಜುನನ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ.
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon that shines so bright. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. Have you ever met someone you feel like he's the one? Have you ever loved so much it almost hurt? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in
Hi. So this is the last day of our ride. So we are almost home. Not almost, like 30 kilometers. Yes. So yeah, that's it. I guess this is not the end of the vlog, so he'll be doing the ending. This is my version of it. This is my version of it. Bye guys. One like, one prayer.
So finally we have reached the last part of the vlog, and that is ending. So it was a really good ride. After editing it after 3 months, I'm having that memories with me. It was really fun. I'm hoping to do the similar thing again and again. As soon as possible. For now it's not possible, but as soon as possible. So if you guys like this content, you know what to do. Make sure you like it, or if you didn't like it, then aram se you can dislike it, because we get to know what to do it, and at least we get an engagement for that. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
Have you ever met someone you could not get my doubt?